Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: the top 5 website builders in 2023. These platforms empower individuals and businesses to create stunning websites without any coding knowledge. Let's dive right in and discover the best website builders out there. Starting with number 5, we have Wix. Wix offers a user-friendly interface and a wide range of customizable templates. It's perfect for small businesses, bloggers, and creative professionals looking to establish their online presence. Moving on to number 4, we have Squarespace. Known for its sleek designs and modern aesthetics, Squarespace is a popular choice among artists, photographers, and entrepreneurs. Coming in at number 3 is Shopify. If you're looking to set up an online store, Shopify is the go-to platform. It provides a comprehensive e-commerce toolkit, including inventory management, secure payment gateways, and customizable storefronts. Our number 2 pick is Weebly. With its intuitive drag-and-drop editor and user-friendly interface, Weebly makes website creation a breeze. It offers a wide range of features, making it ideal for small businesses and individuals who want to showcase their work or products online. And finally, at number 1, we have WordPress. With its versatility and extensive plugin ecosystem, WordPress is the most popular website builder worldwide. It caters to individuals, bloggers, and businesses of all sizes, offering unmatched flexibility and scalability. While these website builders are fantastic for creating general websites, they can also be utilized for e-commerce purposes. However, when it comes to building a successful e-commerce website, there are additional factors to consider. While website builders are excellent for non-technical users, an e-commerce development company can be your trusted partner as your business evolves and expands. We at Brew Labs specialize in creating powerful online stores that cater specifically to your business needs. We have an impressive track record of creating hundreds of outstanding e-commerce websites for clients all over the world. Our expertise, attention to detail, and dedication to customer satisfaction make us a reliable choice for businesses seeking an exceptional online store. So, if you're looking to establish a robust and successful e-commerce presence, trust Brew Labs as your partner. We will work closely with you, provide tailored solutions, helping you with branding, and ensuring your online store thrives in the ever-evolving digital landscape. If you're interested in creating your own e-commerce website or app and enter the highly lucrative world of e-commerce industry, then click on the link provided below in the video description and schedule a free consultation and demo session with us. Our team of experts will be happy to answer any questions you may have and provide you with a personalized demo tailored to your business needs. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.